ena ye sorry si yakoto abama no police station for Mesremo ye gina praise be sorry them ena yes sremo o nyame dimu mamo mayen sesa yensa na nkofa oyele bia mra yen na ye moye ho abro e basa ye ma ani ye busua ana ye di o mabro Dr. Mahmoud Baumia obi anim say day one ama say nie doctor nie Medina chia to the whole Ghana minimini amahu minimidi amati obi a twan yen say ye be doctor ni ade na ba same people for ye candidate a ye de ni konie na Ghana for so aboa yan enye de hu.
I just MP lawyer Kwabena Boatye so Boakye and until modern the 250 pieces of street lights. A 28 electoral areas. I want the constituency said the Bayer. Can you bit machina on the Crawford so any the constituency so or more empoli anajo.
In excess of the municipality Binya Kania, I'm a baby shrink come up. Ya boa ban no so kakra mu a me bia badan so ya be some assembly members to hear ha in excess of the 250 boxes in excess kakra go so yenya e be some assembly members e be na edwo so e be yeshiri na kania aba ti be da assembly members ase yenim say mubabu boss wa makru na nya so fa so na going forward no so yebusu a ye pribiba yebusu a ye pribiba nkania ne dia ka nyina yebusu a ye pribiba binim say nya me hia ye no edoso kakra nim say nya me be adom abye nya bi dia ba be som kakra say dia no pay muhunu no edidi niyama bi so ho nkomo a ebia eni buru nya no be ba bihia
why can nsem no e ko na e ba no mo so de o ma no atumbie say the chief examiner's report no nsem o de be tudwa no enye say exams no na edin. Now it's a reflection of Nkwalane Modembo. Before then, Yura, Educhum the Abetu just say, a year teacher support to be near educational support to be a normal Modema at church for extra classes, normally I did an MDC by Omabichem. Now, Ghana Education Service Ministry of Education, about sharply said, yes, now this year there was strict compliance with invigilation. Omujire nieme mpampe na se nkwala no mo be kai se 2024 mapenjo mama be ka se nkwala no gba apo ema manfo ka se eti we no is it a true reflection of nkwala no dia net se nkwala no so ma bon papa because if about 52% of a population of over 400,000 over 220,000 to be failing mass 30% failing English. Social studies of all papers. And can you do so there so? And quality to be failing out there. Now, a Ghana Education Service say we a reflection there. And you almost quality there. My gentlemen, you are welcome once again.
Thank you.
Mami shall say through a jackal, it you kakra. And say we good process there now also.
Boss, Mammy Nancy, Nami Shasim from free and Quadana Diano, Esso, resource na Barbontina. No question say, I will hope Papa say, and Quada Yedio Moko school na ye moment to teach my dear. Say, watching a young baby Dutching and penny for Dutching leaders. Ade Akye Nanso, resource a poppy up a bar Abontini. Name, Mekada say, subject ahodoa ye de man kwada ne pamphlet ne notebooks ne syllabus ahodoa ye de man kwada na edoso de entina make us yeah, na no more near to Munima dear. And then if you go to them, you listen to them now, or make you more input, you know, mudding come out to me some pa, or my junimu, a bobby, or my junimu, a dog, a quite, you know. Sabra names and all my subjects saying, bear 3-4. Now, 3-4, they get time for themselves. They learn, they read, they make sure they understand, they specialize themselves in whatsoever. Womo ready. But in there, akoda eko school boss. Obe ready maths, obe ready science, obe ready social studies, obe ready elective maths, or ready we just say topics ne subject are complex and kwani the man kodai. Meanwhile, in so akodai we JHS or we SHS boss. Sani mai nyina wasua nyina no okokani nyina akwakoto baby. Emrofo na yesi yesua omo no. They have a power omo chate. Akoda no hyase so all rise o peja no mo chusu ne path e de amano. So oba be ye scientist, so oba be ye engineering, say oba be ye mathematics, say oba be ye we na ya choose ne path amano ne amana specialize in that field. Enti onye school no na ni timu abobiw chese de okosua ye no aka ni tirim de okosua ye no odidi dwuma de okosua ye no owontiase e wo saade ne mo afei so eba practical so tumi ya de no ye ne yi but ye nkoda yi a ye this subject ahodo e di po a mo sua no obekwa kopie mu wo mo classrooms ni o schools ahodo no practical works na e wo sa akoda no teacher ni ye no ohwe owie ono so de ne nsa ye na aka ne tirimu no ebi ni ho obekwa kopie mu wo schools ni bi na computer class ye kase ye do ICT time ye kwa akokire nkoda na de na ebi ni ho this a teacher ni ba ko pe na o use no na nkoda no two ni abetwa ne ho ahia na o kire se wei miani se wei ye the first wei ye yesi can you imagine? Eti just ye nkoda no ye kire omu niema pi however obafie nso a wo se nko nya time e de consolidated ye wasua no boss sa time no so nse ni ho afeni asa ma na extra classes nti adwene na bre adwene no abre sometimes nso adwene no nso usua 1 2 3 a wo se arrest nso ananka de wasua na ewomu no na tumi atenum na tumi akam because adisua bebre nso no kwasem ne se adwene no ni nipadua no bre so you are unable to consolidate what you've learnt a betumi ayeden aka wutrim. I think it is time agriculture ho yes here this time aba yes we ba adenti na yenchusu nkwada na o career path emmom na nko mo specialize o mo ho wo sa field no mu so person ye engineering na ya shase de say de channel fo ye obehu nkwada ne bi ne ete machine ho ne pam ade nkwada ne bi no mo te eniema ho no mo ye watches no mo ye cars ye de o mbefa sa ntetie ne mu sa nya fe no kwakofa any other subject eba besua de aboda no ho da bi. They are training other people in other fields. Bomo mienu nyina bekeka bom na fe niema akonanim. But ye krom ha. Ye nsua niema pii edi bom. Ti ebasa na adwene no so ayeden abre. Ebasa na adwene no ntumi encapture niema nketenketi bi e wo say eden e kanipa na etrim. So to me, I think say it is high time say, and what's you defining a path for your ding kodane faso, and what's you defining a path for your dear mine faso, because we have other resources and kodai senka ye train your mo near specialize your omo in those fields and ka ye mre and ka ye here as or mine, but hey, shall we. Obewie no
officer ya na
edoso do boss me se ye nananom no musua 3-4 subjects and now come on now mu din come out mu so madwuma bobil so otufo afa e ho otufo afa b ho otufo afa c ho otumu so onim de oka because that time no wanya da je sua de na manaka ne tirim enne akode kan wi
oji si ahyem kwala no tetwo dodo ana at a point in time ye to
Pasco
crowd ma this was it right or was it wrong?
To me, dear me,
ye mu nkwala yi enti obutimi register wasi na for bear 1 month on call classes mock ground children so yes exams you do don't deny the child discipline to some extent was becoming nil. So if we are churning out this mathematics, English, social studies, and I be a core a year, so one child tertiary air team out. Now this is the issue at stake now. Edu Chumasimo can say supporting a Ibia no mode maom no oma year free. Is 1 year enough a decision from NDC abine bet we are consuway. Then kwalado yam prepare from last year.
Yes.
How does it come in say sa support system no na man kwalado fedi.
Boss, it is because your man kodana a lose interest in what they are learning. Papers no ni subject no doso. Eye boss na me can say senka eye English na kodani sua and was specializing the whole side esua. Obo say subject no be interesting to akodano. Because what the assassin santi ayene de onim di osua so a otiase so a ebekem. But here is the case I don't know kosua on tiase. Enti no adetie no say ko classroom na ono kra ni tirimo ne na adwene mu eye ne ntanta na di kra mi kwa kosua kra san ni.
Alante mami tio.
O man no pe na me ni akra bi ti school o ti ka mu ba. The front. Ukuta mobile phone o di ko school. And obo games. Na mba no nka hwe machine aso no. Obo games ni sa na wo nam social media maza. Wo SS was anam so SS na wo no pasa me nka no so de ma onura no. Ka ti ka mu nyina no nka wo ye dey. Wo hwem. Enso mobile phone na umiamia so. Okọ na teacher ni ka so ba mobile phone esi ya na be ya sem for school mu. O man results na by and a true reflection of the children's performance.
Mami mo go is. The chief examiner say omunie manso. Difficulty representing mathematical information in diagrams. But mass no o man. Kwala no entimi represent mathematical information diagram. Say bia o tro maybe I would represent the diagram say we say one square we say one diagram no but I need to be the teacher inability to solve global mathematics related problems. They talk to me and say almost say poor construction of poor construction of cumulative frequency tables. Calculative frequency. Inability to solve global mathematics related problems. Difficulty in representing mathematics information in diagrams. 5. Weakness in making deductions from real life situations.
You need social studies now.
Challenges solving simple interest application. Then inability to translate word problems into mathematical expressions. Difficulty interpreting results from cumulative frequency data. For social studies. I'm here social studies there no. Yeah. Social studies. Inability to write about government policies designed to improve citizens' lives. Social studies. Kwalani nyina hunu aban policy a obetimi di ayede improve o mukra bravo.
You say because free teachers for so nse kra wo.
Failure to explain how costly failure to explain how costly funerals negatively affect national development. I will go with hello.
Secondary school.
Hello, gentlemen. Weak discussions on the forms of cooperation between Ghana and United Nations agencies. Now,
where social studies? You go school no? Huh? Yebusa ECOWAS at JHS level.
Yes.
Busa said the importance of ECOWAS.
Yes.
And then ECOMOC. Daniel went at our JHS level.
That's right.
And it's saying, but this time around, yeah, ECOMOC and ECOWAS.
But United Nations.
Maybe we go global.
Boss, yeah, ECOWAS Sompa.
Oh,
Man Kasai.
Now with the ECOWAS Sompa, so that will be nice.
You don't need them for so.
And no more Felisa.
I don't tell Bakasa.
So I just this was it global, you sub region, even Africa. And we EU this any money now. You will JHS, you say any man winning so that Empo that should be a jumbo bodies of a kua. South Canada age has learned something, and you know the relevance of AU this animal. Maybe. But going forward, on my head, going forward, you know. Akrano, FINRA. You put in FINRA, a general knowledge application, a that's the Tremunia ma Akrano every day. And I'm crowd as I'm showing me on my tea, and yet you on pole. As I tell me, a application
on social studies in the general knowledge, you know. Who we say Akrano say on how costly funerals negatively affect national development. Now, Akrano at this year, and the Sunday man, what you say?
On my near this year,
maybe as I say, funeral no. Say Akrano call honomono. Billboards are any pictures now more yen. They be a on my ye decorations in the adeno. How Unchakwalano na SHS3 Nino, SHS3 no. How is he going to look at this? Say, South funeral a year no, me cost to be 2 billion. Now it's social impact and the national development. You see, where question?
This year, oh, JHS, maybe exams and results no, a big cost watching because this year JHS no. And crown on say about near Silkwana Philippine. Most of them were applied. Say, a crown one for not journey. BB because that is what is solving our societal problems. And now Obi exam say 1955 and it's Anyamano. She won't porn. And they want to shift away from that system because one for what journey.
And they almost say
they are the and no
narrative.
They are not used to.
Yes. Boss, we know do we know that?
What are they used to? Asante is bringing us and was more interested in the applied than the giddy.
And to us when you know him here on my this year. A teacher for I bomb what didn't say. Or more per se. Or more de abuan cranny chamapo. Oman to you. Few ones, almost about 10-8% or more trying. Some are facing prosecution. 2 on my hair. And cranny so how Mokoye. And on my busa said some few years back. And Quani being Abacus any at the teacher. And Quani being 8-8, and man said 4-5-8. Okay, so uncle said investigations which was one call.
Yeah,
why is that the case?
It is the way a true reflection.
Oh my, way no, where Gassi, Ghana for Nana, you next year. Almost the only year call back once after COVID, the year problem to know. You know what's other 5 West Africa can get to me uncle what's you know. This are next year. What's it paper no? And 1 year, but none of us on me was you know. Almost person try as much as possible a crabby paper. And almost on me and say, who question 1? The net before you do Christian service no. Who question 1 number 7? Who question 2 years? Who but now teacher the intimate of food until the objectives the mama. I can't one here. Paper news one said the other can say. And you know the dynamism is what the teachers need to teach their children. And they said the Ebam Rabia.
Yabrem.
Ade ne de ma me yam say me pa and ade bi wo mitin mo hona me mpese megedi ade bi wo mitin akota social studies and ankola ya feel say so mo pese mo apply real life situation.
That's right.
Akota social studies de nkie nim kura no ya bra bo ayeti wo fie social studies bo say how is the one marriage customary marriage the busa no atwero. How is funerals conducted in the no watro bibi kakra
traditional
ne watro festival ne bia Oma history eyi te sɛ ne na asante Boakye AU African Union ECOWAS ene saa nneɛma no na wotwurutwuru bia enti sɛ okobusa akwada ne sɛ on apply real life situation sɛ ɔte Ghana ha say
how costly
is
funerals to the
national development akota akwala no syllabus na ye de kyerɛ na de no sɛ your friend say osua de books no so de
masters
no mo next year galam say question kwa ba galam say
akwala no books na ye de kyerɛ no
next year galam say beba
books na de kyerɛ akwala na de ne say enimu
galam say
na respect say akwala no onko kyerɛ ne say so
yes o fana dwene mfa ho
akota won fana dwene mfa ho teacher ni na o kyerɛ na de no so must be question say na teachers ni nim say this year was na nkwala na ekwa akɔtwero no enkwe the usual was na omo twere bia yesi chiwe mpo na mo akɔchiw no akɔpo na we de yebusa question no a wo de betoto abrabo a wote ho ofie na watwere wakola bi won makota eye kura no wu bi da
onko eyi ase da
so yes
no kwa question
onya experience of ebi kura
but the major one omo answer ye anyway and no tin am
a major question
yes what I'm saying is say ma omo for nkwala ni nyina no social studies no they went for this question and no tin am who said failure to explain how costly na ya minimuti hey asante uti hey
unya ye da
sa question we me tuma osesia
yes
who are your masters in communication but me two question we ma osesia we exam room who be bre papa
over take a to
you will apply but I can tell you how you see ground
menya broso o my obi atwa de bu ampese bia no pon metima go say boss I would like to add my voice to your discussion this morning. The government should also channel their energy into teachers' welfare. Now, teachers trade more than even businessmen. Schools.
It's true.
It's true.
And also there because you go busa teachers so. Say kwan be no mo fa so kire nkola na de. Omunya time e de kire nkola na de. Ene na no nkola yi ko school yi. Me mo secondary school ni de. By secondary schools bi ho no mo a. Parents na de akwala na ekono. No wakacho bi a parents no de wato washing powder. Wato your friend say the omo di si omo niam na ade ade. Oduru school no mo se ye mpa no bi na emom ye pewe na no teacher ni bi ton bi o school no.
Eno
na ye penti ko na koto bi. So ebi kura schools ni bi kura de hye wase say we ento and ye ton bi o school ase na no hwan na ton ye teacher for no. Ana teacher ni bi yere and the tongue
and headmaster
yere assistant headmaster yere and o tongue and I say headmaster na mu so no the side job boy teachers ni bi so a tongue yes teacher for me coach
na school near man in schools
yes
the man in young
edema ebi kra e ayon free
and ebi you almost a tongue tade
the o school
almost so a tongue
problems no
yes find enemies nigga
ebi free why supermarket e kwara ne power e ho no mbeto toffee biscuit no me ade ansa no makoda o
and the teacher better man ya da jam
market no teacher ni no opon prepper kwara ne pon prepper ice kenke enom ne sa nema no yogurt
no mo de akoda
how the money scar
yes
and to watch that art but anyway
so we application
business
life skills
it ni na ka ho
or how many adults
how costly is food
but akota social studies ni fail one there akota yem blame me no mienu
ade
social studies ni fail one ankwala ni fail ene ase ya fa niam bi easy penity mitina kane akota ye ko secondary school na se ye ko school no ye ka che o se o get kura ni we ya ofere
oh yes
but ene enkwala no boldly o mu display sa
I want to the girl kura
ene kura no like ye no kasa
we go fuck them
entokwafu a ye go social media no so ne sa ne ma ye hu eni die wo se pani akwala bu pani ena pani nti ko akwala no de ka chen se real life situation real life situation kan ya kota yesu so yi o ti ke mu a o sore
eno beba o question beba this year
relationship between the elderly and the young
eno beba next year
social studies ni felu ande yem blame ye nyina ye ka on bi ene atete ye ma no se bi kwambone so ya se o mutatwo ejo hu se sa na te
mashallah awusiafo
alhamdulillah
ye peja emu na agudi hu nsema ba emba ene Orlando edeba na omu wi a ye be saba na emom national development and finance there adabra ka o yesremo